Welcome back to the van build series, and today we're doing insulation. This is kind of like a heated topic amongst like the van life community, and I'm not sure why. I think it's basically like pretty open-ended. You could go multiple ways. There's pros and cons for each thing. It's kind of, I think at the end of the day, it just comes down to your use cases, and like, you know, I'm sure you can't really go wrong either way as long as you choose one of the best insulation methods. I went with a 3M Thinsulate that you see right over here. The reason I did is because it's easy to do, no mess compared to like say like spray foam. Good R value, which is like metric they use for determining how strong a material is for insulation. A lot of other van lifers did it, so it was like, okay, if it worked for them, probably work for me too. I wanted to be able to go, you know, cold winters and hot summers. It should kind of cover everything. That was my goal for it, and I think that 3M Thinsulate should be a pretty good option for this. I got two of these bad boys. I can link everything below. Let's get started. The package comes in like a roll, and it looks like, you know, it's like a thin insulation just like this. It's kind of fluffy, it's kind of poofy, kind of looks like a pillow, honestly, but yeah, it's just a big roll of this, and you just cut it out based on your dimensions. Well, congrats on making it to the end of the video. If you have any comments, questions at all, drop it below. I'll be sure to get back to all the comments and questions. And if this stuff is something you like, or if it's helpful for you in your van build, in your little journey, or big journey it is, for me at least, and you want to see how I converted it into this at the end, give it a subscribe. You'll get to see how I got from a skeleton into where it is now. And yeah, I'll see you next time.